Help! I'm an event planner and I don't know where to find solidly good, biblically based Christian speakers. If that's you, you are in the right place. No matter what kind of event, a women's event, a church-wide event, a national event, conference, convention, training workshops, whatever that is, you are in the right place. If you're looking to work with someone who will make it seamless to get the information together and to put on your event, you're in the right place. If you're looking for your audience to be able to level up to training, to teaching, to humor, to even some education along the way, you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Annette Mulligan, and I am a Christian speaker and workshop leader, and I've been doing this for quite some time. You see, I'm a recovering children's pastor, and I had to get speakers for my own events, and I remember how challenging it could be sometimes. I don't want that for you. I want to be able to come to your event and to present and deliver what you and your audience are looking for and need. My message is about hope and never giving up. It's about living all in with God. It's about how to take isolation and invisibility and transform it into vibrant, intentional living with God. I would love to come and help you solve your problem of looking for a qualified Christian leader. This sounds great, doesn't it? And you may be saying right now, yes, but how much do you cost? I would love to answer that question for you. Give me a call, send me an email. Let's start the conversation to see how I can make you look awesome by bringing me in as your guest speaker. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Take care now.